Good morning, campers. Rise and shine. Look at the sun coming up out there. So it's January 27th. Lots of ice on the porch this morning, and the dog water buckets are froze over, so we're definitely got cold weather. January here. We're wrapping January up. We're going to give it our best shot, and I'm fishing for bites today. I'm just hoping to build my confidence that I can catch fish in this cold weather. If this is your first time finding Yak Ventures, I want to welcome you. Just check out the channel. It's kind of varied between a little bit of spear fishing, kayak fishing for bass on freshwater, and what we really like to do is kayak fish in the ocean. Right now, the ocean she's on her lips, man. It's rough out there, so we're not going to put the Hobie Outback through the paces out there. We're going to just work on our winter bass fishing technique today. Anyway, I got a full mindset to just fish for bites. I brought a lunch, cup of coffee. I skipped breakfast. I got so excited. Anyhow, the water has really came up. Probably like, man, 10, 15 feet from last time. So that's going to change where I was fishing at last week. Anyhow, sit back and enjoy the video. Wow, we've had all kinds of delays this morning getting on the water. I thought I was going to get an early start and got in the kayak. First thing I did was hook the back of my rain jacket on some jerk bait up there. Anyway, I turned around to get unhooked from that, and I hooked my leg in a LV 500. Gee whiz. Got all untangled from that. And then my rudder was all funky. It wouldn't like turn all the way. Had to pull up on the dock and fix that, fiddle with that a little bit. That's probably from fishing the salt water, not rinsing it off good enough. So I gotta be a little more mindful of that. And then all those bait wraps that you see everybody using there, I think I'm gonna invest in about 4 or 5 of those, because that'll save me from getting all hooked up. I was using a piece of tin foil, which you might have seen in some of my video there, but I think I'm gonna get the real deal. Anyhow, finally getting out here. Not sure what time it is now, about 9 o'clock. We're gonna start out with the jerk bait and see if we can't find some fish that might be feeding up near the surface. Oh, just went over 2 bass on the bottom in 25 feet of water. This might be the spot. I actually think I'm gonna probably, we'll keep doing this, but I just started. That was like my second cast, and I'm seeing fish near the bottom, and this jerkbait is not going to get down that deep, and I don't have the patience right now to fish it slow like it needs to be, which is how I'm going to catch fish today. I just got to get all the jitters out and just got to get started off on the right foot. Anybody hungry today? Oh, they only stay. Oh, I went over it. Good deal. Come on, fishy. Oh, your mind wanders when you're using a lure that's... my mind wanders when I'm using the lure, like, well, maybe I should try this, maybe I should try that. Oh, this is the cast. This is the cast right here. Pop, pop, just whammo. Come on. All right, here's going to be the first real official cast with the swim bait. Got the reel clear. We got a good cast. We're going to let her go all the way to the bottom. We're going to watch the top of the line as it slowly pulls down. Come on. 27 feet of water here. I don't know what it is over there. It's oh, I just got bit. I think I got bit on the way down. No. Oh, something. She just touched down. See the belly coming back at me? Okay. Here we go. Nice and slow. We want to feel every rock. Woo! It's gonna I'll be fishing the jig before you know it, man. This is gonna be tough doing this. We're fishing for that one bite. Spongy, but it's not a fish. If I do get bit, I'm just going to reel down on it. I'm not going to jerk. Oh, I switched to a jig. We are going to drag a jig uphill on this point here. See if we can't get one to bite. Oh, my phone just beeped. That might be my buddy Brian. He's supposed to be on his way. We're letting her fall right now, guys and gals. Still falling, still falling. Come on. I'm watching the belly in my line. Watching the belly in my line. We just touched down. Okay, we just touched down. Reel up the slack a little bit. I'm going to slowly just drag it. Ooh, it's spongy. See that sponge? Oh, I think that was a fish. Dang it. Alrighty, we are going to call that a trip. We got skunked. We tried really hard, but it didn't happen. Felt like I was fishing clean, fishing the right stuff, slow. Same thing I've been doing the last couple times. I just think that the water coming up to its full potential has put the fish off the bite. So give it a try in another week or so and see if it gets any better. Anyway. anyway. If you stuck it out this long, you're just as diehard of a fisherman as I am. So good luck in your adventures, and we'll see you on the next yak venture.